Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is sad to say, in this day and age, the dancehall genre and dancehall artists are still being painted as the cause of our national problems. Now, viewers and subscribers, don't get it twisted and confused. We see them a celebrate Bounty and Beanie's achievements now. But remember, they were the ones the way they made a try for paint as the cause of the problem too. Remember, they made say Beanie a par with Black Rose's crew and a him a fund wagwan in the jungle. Same thing them try to say about Bounty Killer. Them try to attach him name to all farms around right across the island. Now in this day and age, Vybz Kartel and Sparta seem to be the names in the dancehall music. We as soon as something happen, them try to call them name. Vybz Kartel more than Sparta. Yeah, definitely. If them buck them to them say Vybz Kartel part. Now, Sparta viewers and subscribers, I feel like definitely them have something against Spartan. Worse, them detain him multiple times and it offer let him go. Now, yesterday viewers and subscribers, his attorney, yes, Mr. Ernest Smith, said the lawmen were a no-show. Imagine, they have detained an individual at the station, but the officers who were supposed to conduct the interview, an entire task force, was a no-show. Them couldn't find not one mocha officer. Now he said there was no interview, there were no questions and answers, and he said the superintendent who he had made the arrangements with was said the artist should turn himself in so that the questions and the interview could take place, was conveniently out of his office. Him say make 27 calls, viewers and subscribers, and sent multiple text messages saying what's going on. We had a firm agreement for Mocha and CTOC to interview my client. He said I cancelled several court appearances to be there. And I am furious. Now viewers and subscribers, you notice this. He said he cancelled several court appearances. Now what say that for the ordinary citizen? For the ordinary citizen or even an individual who has retained what we call free counsel, legal aid. You know, say a legal aid lawyer would not have been able to make that interview, or make that interview rather, having 27 other cases. However, this attorney made it, but the lawmen were not there. Them no one question or ask Sparta now. Them just want to set an example. There are other plans at play. We are not sure what those plans are. We have to just watch them and I say, yeah, we'll see the move there. What is the move for that? Because an entire task force, not one officer from that task force could get the documents and conduct the interview so that the individual could be released and go back about his business. Not one. All of them gone. And then the superintendent himself will have to leave. No, that sounds like say there's clearly a plan afoot. That look like there's clearly a plan afoot. I will say this though. The fact that the Zozo situation, them can hold an individual up to 90 days. We know that. But no doubt them are going to question him and release him just like in a Dexter Daps case. Them just go as well the talk is in the street. Beat the artist a little. You know what I mean? See if them can get the artist to sweat. So them already start put things in the media. Oh, the artists are crying, the artists are really trying to do what? Attack his career and his character in a dancehall music. See, so this not have nothing to do with the situation. Remember, what them like to do is paint these individuals like, you see, these individuals who are highly respected should not be respected. Saying on the dancehall game, they must say, alright, a hardcore dancehall artist. They must say, what can I say about him? Well, tell the media, say him cry. Because who else would know this? Was this reported by inmates? Did inmates say Tamale Sparta was crying? That sound like a statement of a arrested officer would I say. So I don't know. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. One thing for sure though. In a dancehall music, any dancehall artist that is at the forefront of dancehall music. Remember, it's for the North Coast side of dancehall music. We can say this. Vybz Kartel, the person we say, watch you know. The Mobile dancehall scene is a dancehall scene we need to pay more attention to. No doubt. And Tamale Sparta was the artist where him say, watch you know, this are the artists where me I work with from Mobile. Pay attention to the Mobile dancehall scene. And from that point until now, Tamale Sparta has been the leading artist from that side of the island. No matter which other artists you hear have a vibe, have a buzz, have a name for themselves. Tamale Sparta remains as the most influential artist over that side there when it comes to how them try to portray themselves from the slang, the sound. You know what I mean? Tamale Sparta was an artist like this way. Get that Kingston notoriety without trying to sound like he was from somewhere else. He make them know, say, watch you know, where we are from and so we talk. And these are the slangs that we are using in our community. And we are make them known to you. So him put them in the music and people gravitated to it. Him show cinematic visuals of his community and you know what I mean, the culture and the style of music for Mobile, and from that other Mobile artists gain prominence. So them still the Tamale Sparta that artist way. If we can set an example with him, then all other artists will just follow suit. So that's why I feel like them target Vybz Kartel and Tamale Sparta continuously. When them can't discredit the music and that now work, them decide alright, well, we're going to connect them to certain aspects of our society that we don't want to talk about, the unmentionable, the crime and the violence. We all just blame them. We can already say them a sing the song, then we are influence it. So we can say I feed them part, and that is where they go with it. That's the route where them choose to travel. But we know this for a fact. Long before artists were making millions of dollars and dancehall music was at this lucrative stage, we had our issues. And we all know where it stemmed from. We all know where it stemmed from. We know where the inequalities stem from. We know where the whole heap of classism stem from. We know why you have two black individuals who have it say one better than the other just because of his status socially, the car where him drive, his occupation, his place of residence. The classism, we know where it all stems from. It has nothing to do with dancehall music. Dancehall music does not contribute. We just say this. You can be involved in things you are going and involved in dancehall music. We not say name. But we can't consider dancehall music as a main contributor to what we want. We can say dancehall artists use the art form of dancehall to showcase what is taking place in these communities, of which most people wouldn't know that are going anywhere unless these artists forward out and say what they must say. And now, because they have forward out and say what they must say, them vex. We see even some people will go out of them way to demonize dancehall artists and talk about them connections on the streets and them connections in the community. Is it a crime to be born and raised in the ghetto? Well, if that is the case, then we have a strong problem. If that is the case, then we have a strong problem, viewers and subscribers. Because we can't allow the fact that these individuals come from a certain community, and the fact that they know individuals from that community and are now in a prominent situation where they receive payments for them work, for the musical contributions, and it's very lucrative. So we're going to start blame them and say them are fun things we are going on in them community when these issues have been taking place in them community long before them even born. So we ask just because you're far from the community, you have to cut community ties. You have to stop link with your friend on the lane because you boss or him no boss, so you can't afford to buy him a house next to you uptown. It can't work. It can't work. These are the people that are used to when you're fast and now something, you're them go link. And just because you're busting all the system I tell you say watch you know, you have now changed places. Upper say there, stop link with them. And if you link with them, these are the consequences. These are basically how it look. Because we can't continue to say just because an individual is from this community, he must know what I want. Enough people live there and don't know what I want. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content, as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there as well. Drop a like on the blog for me like well here. You know the settings, viewers and subscribers, and for those who don't, you man move settings from I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.